Body of truck driver found in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police assigned to the Clarendon Division have launched an investigation following the discovery of the body of a man in Savannah District in the parish on Wednesday, December 25th. Dead is 59-year-old Walter Tomlinson, a truck driver of Savannah District, Clarendon. Reports are that at around 8 a.m., Tomlinson, who would have moved his truck at a particular time on a regular day, was not seen carrying out such duties. Close residents of the community became concerned and went to check on him. Upon checking, Tomlinson was found lying on the floor with a section of his body partly burnt. The police were summoned and the body was transported to the hospital, where it was pronounced dead. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.